Hola gente, what's up guys? Welcome to another Treatment Tuesday where we basically play around with new hair care for the very first time on camera and then we decide what works and what doesn't. In today's video we're actually going to go with a drugstore hair mask for a change recommended to me by one of my closest friends, Sissy. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Coconut Hair Mask.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in.
Let's start by dampening my hair a little bit. You get 300 grams in here, which is actually a very decent amount of product. The average high-end hair mask by L'Oreal Series Expert or by Kerastase is usually 250. I cannot remember the ounces right now because this is actually all in Spanish. I bought it here at my drugstore here in Argentina, but I will insert everything here. And this I remember, but I'm so ready to experience it one more time. That yummy coconut smell that just smells like summer, doesn't it? Yeah, so good. And it is a very, very rich hair mask. Look at how thick that is. I mean, can you see that? It's amazing. Oils, I keep saying that they agree so much with my hair, and that totally makes sense. In fact, our hair is the healthiest near the root, not only because it is kind of younger, recently grown hair, but also because it is in contact with your natural oils. It's kind of my theory. So let's just go ahead and apply strand by strand. And I'm going to be super generous because my hair has been very dehydrated, not only because I've been at the beach, at the pool, it's summer here, but also because that Kerastase Radiance Booster was a little bit dehydrating for my hair, to be honest. I'm going to insert that video right here in case you guys are interested. Promises two things. The first one is deep nourishment and the second one is softness. I just love that the exposure time is only 2 to 3 minutes, so let's make that 3 minutes. And now, yes, let's dig into the ingredients and all those things and see if there's anything we should be concerned about. Oh, just in case someone asks which shampoo did I use to wash my hair before, that is also a recommendation from my friend. That is the Pantene Micellar Water. Hopefully they go well together. All right, I am loving the ingredients in this hair mask. You guys know that at the back, ingredients should be listed from the highest concentration or presence in the hair mask to the lowest. I just find it a little bit deceiving when the ingredient that is highlighted at the front, you know, in the marketing section of the packaging, is not the ingredient that is closest to the beginning of the ingredients list. Coconut oil is actually the third ingredient. It also contains chamomile extract, which is really good to kind of desensitize your scalp, even though I have not applied it in my scalp. For those people who do, there's also seed oil, sunflower seed oil, citric acid, which I have noticed that is present in many products that I like, and then glycerin, which should be great for deeply hydrating your hair. Now that said, the Radiance Booster by Kerastase that I tested out last time had glycerin, possibly in very low concentrations, or I don't know what went wrong, but definitely I did not get as much hydration as I needed. So let's go ahead and rinse this off. All right, so I am back. I was planning on jumping right into styling my hair, but I had to insert here this comment. Actually, I have two comments or two observations to make. First of all, this coconut oil hair mask is 100 times easier to rinse off than using good old coconut oil, like pure coconut oil, and I actually think that is a plus. The second thing is that it's really good with tangles, even though I will have to detangle my hair using my tangle teaser like I always do. I still feel that the hair mask pretty much did the job for me. I just can't wait to see the after and see if it helps me kind of tame my hair, get rid of that frizz that my hair naturally has and that I keep fighting against. So let's get to work, my friends.
Okay, all right.
Okay. I really want you guys to have a look for yourselves and let me know in the comments below, what do you think this product did to my hair? And of course, I will also share with you my thoughts. Guys, this is so soft, and like I said, it helps so much with my tangles. It is absolutely smooth and frizz-free. I don't even see my typical like flyaways here, and having this type of result, you know, after I blow dry my hair on such a humid day, it really does speak for itself. As you guys know, the oil really creates that barrier from humidity, and it also bounces light in a natural way without any silicones, which I love. It was super fast. Come on, who doesn't have 3 minutes? You put it on in the shower, and by the time you're done with your soap and everything, your hair is done. And great price point. I think we have a new drugstore superstar here. Big shout out again to my friend Sissy. Thank you so much for recommending this one. This is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this kind of Treatment Tuesday drugstore edition. If you like hanging out with me, please support by subscribing, liking, and commenting down below which other drugstore products you'd like me to test out next, or high-end, doesn't matter, whatever your suggestions. You guys know I keep a very long list of products, and slowly but surely I am going down that list. But wait, before we wrap up today's video, I really wanted to thank each and every one of you guys who supported the launch of my merch. I literally was crying like a silly little girl. I cannot believe that such a tiny channel would get so much love. I appreciate each and every one of you guys so much, and what you have done does contribute to keep this channel going. Everything that you guys do, from purchasing through my affiliate links to subscribing, commenting, anything you do for this channel really does help a lot more than you think it does. Thank you, and I will talk to you all again on my next one. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.